Well, guys, here we go again. Well then, off we go, and welcome to another edition of Rupert's Weekly Property Show, today again from Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. It's Thursday, 4 p.m. We have about 22 degrees at the moment. It's nice, it's beautiful, it's dry. There is a little bit of cloud, as you can see. We had some rain overnight. It was not a big deal, but yes, it was a little bit of rain. And today, I'm showing you, standing here in the paradise, a really great corner apartment here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort on Garden 13. I'm mentioning expressly the corner position because I think that's really something to point out amongst the many things which you will see now with this great property. It's a 3-bed, 1-bathroom ground floor apartment here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. And, well, you will see yourself what the owner has done to this property. So I'm just entering here now the terrace, to say, and the garden bit. And as you can see, this is really nicely done up with lots of additional features. Those of ones who have seen already more of my shows know maybe already the difference between a property which has not been done up and this one. So let me just start with what I see here is the understair cupboard. A beautiful solution for all kind of storage needs. Just to give a little bit an idea of how this looks inside. Yes, I know it's a mess, but apart from that, it's quite a massive storage unit, which is always good because there are many, many things which people have over here, from sports gear to beach gear to winter and summer clothes. So that's quite one of the nice spots to store whatever you need to be stored. Apart from that, we do see the privacy screen here, which was done up as it's a corner unit. There might be some people passing by. We have an awning covering the entire terrace here, and there is an additional awning in front, also to provide a little bit more shade, because that's the issue here, that we have loads of sun. So the sun is going up over there somewhere and is going down on the other side, as we can see. So we have sun nearly all day on this terrace. So you might need the awnings as well. Having said that, we have another thing here, which is a concrete built barbecue. Also quite handy, and all the outside furnishing you can see nicely set up already, thanks to my team here from Quality Homes Costa Calida. Again, a great job done. Thank you very much. So we continue, and I give another view here on the terrace. Isn't this nice? It's just cozy, no? That's what it's all about, no? They have taken out the grass bit, as you can see, and they have tiled it as well. So there is no more need for the gardeners to cut the lawn, because that's already done. And, well, we continue to the inside of this great property, where we see, first of all, Anna, our listing agent, enjoying the yellow sofa here.
Oh, it's a great sofa, I have to say.
But obviously not included in the asking price of only 89,000 euros. You find this property on our webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, under the reference 3770. Asking price, as we said, is 89,000 euros, and it's sold as seen. So what we see is what we get. So that's a massive television. I think it's 45-inch. That's the second telly. Thank you very much. Always good to confuse me a little bit. Here we go. There is one of the many air conditioned units. As you can see, the kitchen is fully fitted and kitted. We have a dishwasher here. We have a massive fridge freezer. They have changed the worktops to a black granite worktop, which really looks nice and gives a total different approach than the wood-based grayish thingy. So I think that's quite a nice setup. And as you can see, well, you can see through here, you do see the terrace, even when you're staying here in the kitchen and preparing maybe some nice dinner or whatever. We continue, we have a look in the mirror. Hi Rupert, nice to meet you. And we continue with the master bedroom. As we said, the property is fully fitted, kitted and equipped as it is. So furniture-wise, it's in pretty good nick. It's quite decent quality furnishing. And this is now the second television. My listing agent has pointed out that I need to tell you that there is a second television here. But as well, we have the aircon here. So another room with air conditioning. And we have as well the back terrace. They have closed here the mosquito netting, so I don't forget to mention that the property is fully equipped with mosquito netting. which is quite nice. I mean, we don't get a lot of mosquitoes here, but we do get the silly flies twice a year. The season is nearly over now with the silly flies, but they can be annoying. So I think that's quite a nice asset to have. And the back terrace is pretty well sunlit as well, as you can see. They have put up as well privacy screens here to make sure that nobody's looking into your bedroom. And we have here as well the 4 air-conditioned units. What they built as well, let's see if this is open. Yes, it is. Happy days. So we have a washing machine here. We have, I think that's kind of a cat entertainment device. And what they did is they have closed this in to make sure that the washing machine is not disappearing and also maybe kept in a better state than being outside. Again with glass, so the light goes through to the second bedroom. An additional storage, as we said, because it's important to have more storage than what the architects initially have designed. I think it has to do with the fact that nobody thought of that people might live here all year round. So this has obviously happened, and now all these additional storage areas are really very important for the day-to-day life here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. Waffling through the master bedroom back into the second bedroom, as you can see. Also fully equipped. Here we go again. This was the outside thingy with the washing machine and the cat entertainment device. So here we go again with air conditioning as well. Fitted wardrobes, quite big ones to say, which also provide additional storage space. Moving on to the bathroom. So, also the bathroom has been changed. As you can see, normally there is a standard bathtub. They have changed the bathtub to quite a decent walk-in shower. And we have something very special, which I haven't seen one so far, because here we have a sliding window. So normally it's a simple window, but here they have changed the window into a sliding window, which is nice, as well with mosquito netting, as we can see here. So that's all really properly done. We have a decent shower tray here. So that's really big enough, well, not to swing the tiger, but you can swing maybe a cat or something like that. And yeah, new furnishing in here as well. So quite, I mean, there's not any corner nearly which they have left behind not to change something. We are now coming to the third bedroom, as well equipped with everything we need. The third bedroom has, again, views out to the terrace. There we go. As I said, on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, you do find this apartment under reference 3770. Asking price is 89,000 euros. And as I've been told, there's a motivated seller. Whatever they mean with that, that's the message I have to pass on to you. So coming back into the living room, and it's all very central. That's quite a nice thing, that these apartments hardly lose any space because we have just a small walkway here, which is necessary to distribute towards the individual rooms. But otherwise, we're not losing a lot of space here, so that's quite okay. We are talking here about 64 square meters usable surface. Altogether, it's about 118 square meters, including the front terrace and the back terrace, which is obviously part as well of the property. To point out as well the new garden gate which has been fitted. So, and one thing I have to show you now, because that's really something what I really like to see. And I'll go back, maybe Anna knows already what I'm talking about. No, not yet, no? Okay. Here we go, I'm showing you now a tap. And this tap is exactly my ideal tap, because it has a, well, normal water supply here, just pull it out. But here we have the drinking water. So this is already, when it's working, this is already, there's the water filter already fitted, which means no more bottled water from the supermarket. You just open your tap and you have fantastic drinking water available here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort without buying any more plastic bottles. You just go to your tap and get it yourself. Talking about fees, the community fees for this property is around 105 euros per month, which includes the use of internet. Each property on site has its own router. We are all connected to a glass fiber network, which not only provides internet, it also provides over 200 international and national television channels, which is quite nice. So we don't need any parabolic antenna or whatever. We just plug it in, and most of the TVs have already set up for that. So there is no more, nothing else needed than put it in and tell the tell the television to find the channels, and it works perfectly. So that's quite a nice thing to have as well. And it all comes included in the community fees, which cover as well, obviously, all services provided by the community, which starts with pool attention, goes to gardening, goes to security, goes to street cleaning. They turn on the lights at night. So there's quite a lot of things to do, which is all managed by the community of owners, where the administrator is also sitting on site on the Alcazar Shopping Center, which is, by the way, pretty close to where we are, because Garden 13 is the closest garden of the gardens to the town center Alcazar. So also rental-wise, this place really should rent out also in summer pretty good, to say. I'm pretty sure that this property would have a decent rental record because it has every mod cons necessary. It's fully fitted, fully equipped. We do have all kind of outside furniture, inside furnishing. We have air conditioning, white goods, decent kitchen, walk-in shower, fully air-conditioned, mosquito nettings. We have all kind of awnings. Yes, we have been speaking already about the awnings. Yes, we've been speaking about the understair cupboard. Exactly. This is also dog-proof. That's true. Yes, that's really true, because this property is also dog-proof. So no dog can escape here, except it's a flying dog, but there are not many around of them, no? Yes. We mentioned already the new gate, but we didn't mention the glass filling. Okay, I'm mentioning now the glass filling. Apart from that, we are in walking distance to the pool. Just let me show this to you. We are here in walking distance to the pool. It's just across the corner, and that's where the pool entrance is. Yep. This works perfect. So that's the pool entrance here. There we go. So we are pretty close to the pool. It's a corner unit, so we do get the sunshine nearly all day. Easy parking, yes, because in the price included, there's also a parking spot, you wouldn't believe it, which is right behind. So there is no problem at all. Bring your suitcase, bring your shopping. You just walk into the garden and into your property. So, as they always say, it's all about location. No?
Yeah, that's it.
I would say this is one of the spots where I would say this is really ticking all the boxes, because the location here is just great. Walking distance to the Alcazar. We are in a corner unit on Garden 13, close to the pool. We have all mod cons with a great orientation, because sun all day long. As you have seen, there is sun on this side, and there was sun as well on the other side. So we have
walking distance to Alcazar, walking distance to Condado Club.
As well, walking distance to Condado Club. Don't forget the Condado Club, no? With all its sport facilities and paddle and tennis and gym and restaurant.
That there's a crazy golf project.
Yes, the rumor has it that there is a crazy golf thingy, but are we allowed to talk about it already?
Sure, but
Me neither. Yeah. But as you mentioned it already, it's already said.
The grapevine says, yes.
Yeah, the grapevine says. So we obviously don't know anything about it, but just the grapevine says. So we are here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. Check it out on Google. We are on reference 3770 on qualityhomescostacalida.com's dedicated webpage. We are asking 89,000 euros. We have a motivated seller, and I think now it's over to you guys. This property should fly off the shelf now. So I really hope that this place finds the right buyer, because just have a look at that. I mean, this is not done. This was not set up today for us being here doing my property show. That's how it is on Condado all year round, 365 days, some years even 366, and that's what it looks like all year round. So, in case you're looking for a place in paradise, you might have found it on the reference 3770 on qualityhomescostacalida.com. Well, having said that, I think it's a great property. Thank you very much, Anna, for listing this gem.
Thank you to the owner for listing with us.
As well, for trusting us. No? So I reckon that we will soon get inquiries for virtual viewings or for presence viewings. We would be happy to show this apartment to you. For any questions or inquiries, just drop me a line or send us an email to info@qualityhomescostacalida.com. You also can contact us through Facebook, but WhatsApp. I would really prefer email, because sometimes we're really getting mixed up with all these Facebook messages. So email is working better than Facebook messages. Okay, having said that, enjoy your afternoon. Thank you very much for listening and watching, and I will see you next week again from another great property presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com through Rupert's weekly property show. Have fun, take care, and stay safe.
Bye bye.
Cheers.